Hi, this is Bill from Crush Pools. We're going to show you how to install a safety cover. So this here is a Latham safety cover. This gauge of mesh is 7,000. They come in 5, 7,000, and 9,000. We recommend the 7 and the 9,000. These ones block out more sunlight, which causes a little less algae when you open up in the spring. So you start off by draping the safety cover over the entire pool. You can keep the water up to help keep it in place. You can see that it doesn't come with any straps actually attached to it, so you got to put all the buckles on and then continue installing. Now that we have the cover completely laid out and all the buckles on, we can start drilling our holes for the anchors. So because we're installing into a concrete deck, we use 3/4 inch brass grommets here, interlock and garden stakes. You have a long tube, about 12 to 18 inches.